All the sensors are responding. The only problem was we have is crankcase oil pressure and temperature intake, and the other water fuel indicator. That's all is not responding, but all other sensor is working, meaning that the computer, it is working. Okay, so right now I cannot start because the battery is down. So now it's working. The operator is putting water on the fan belt. This is coming noise. Okay. The problem is air lock.